A first responder agency is looking for a mobile router that can provide connectivity for their in-vehicle devices that includes MDTs, tablets, phones, and possibly other emergency equipment. They request that the system provides high availability, redundancy, and resiliency, including in areas where cellular coverage can be challenging. Hello, my name is Zach Santos, and I'm here to discuss why the Net Cloud Manager from Cradlepoint is a viable option and the best option for a network solution for a first responder agency. When seconds matter, connectivity is not a convenience, it's a lifeline. For first responders, whether it's law enforcement, fire, EMS, they need reliable communication, which is essential to protecting lives, property, and your own personnel. The reality is, first responders operate everywhere, in places where it's like an urban center, rural highway, disaster zone, and areas where cellular coverage is weak or inconsistent. So it's important that they have devices that can depend on a stable and secure network connection. First responder agencies face unique network challenges that a traditional mobile solution simply are not designed to handle. The vehicles are constantly moving back and forth in different coverage zones, and you might have to use multiple carriers. You may be responding during natural disasters when networks are congested or partially down, and interference is very common. At the same time, the number of connected devices inside each vehicle grows. Like you have your ambulances, your mobile stations, things like that. A dropped connection is not only an inconvenience, it will delay response times, interrupt situational awareness, and put responders at risk. This is why connectivity is first responders must be resilient, redundant, and intelligently managed. Cradlepoint has built its reputation around one core principle. Connectivity should be reliable everywhere, not just where it's easy. At the heart of the Cradlepoint solution is Net Cloud Manager. This is a cloud-based management platform that works hand in hand with Cradlepoint mobile routers installed in your vehicles. Net Cloud Manager isn't just a dashboard, it's a control center for your entire mobile network. It gives your IT and operations team visibility, control, and confidence across every vehicle, device, and connection. One of the most important requirements for a first responder network is high availability. Cradlepoint mobile routers support multi-carrier cellular connectivity, which means a single vehicle can connect multiple cellular networks and automatically switch between them in real time. If one carrier experiences congestion, degradation, or an outage, the router seamlessly fails over to the strongest available connection. This happens automatically without user intervention and without disrupting connected devices. Net Cloud Manager monitors signal strength, latency, packet loss, and connection quality continuously, and it uses data to make intelligent routing decisions, ensuring your and the vehicle systems stay connected even in challenging coverage areas. For first responders, this translates into fewer dropped connections, faster recovery, and confidence that communications remain online when they are needed most. To ensure public safety, redundancy is very essential for the network. Cradlepoint Solution supports multiple layers of redundancy. Cellular, wired, Wi-Fi, and even satellite can all be a part of the same network architecture. If one path fails, traffic is automatically rerouted to another. Net Cloud Manager provides centralized policy-based routing so critical applications like CAD, dispatch, or video streaming are always prioritized over non-essential traffic. During major incidents or disasters, networks can often be congested. Net Cloud Manager allows you to proactively manage bandwidth, enforce quality of service, and maintain performance for mission-critical applications. This resiliency ensures that even in the most stressful, unpredictable conditions, your network continues to support responders in the field. Managing hundreds and thousands of vehicles manually is not scalable, but Net Cloud Manager solves this with centralized cloud-based management. From a single interface, your team can see the real-time status of every router every connection, and every vehicle. You can identify weak signal areas, detect hardware issues, and respond to problems before they impact operations. There's no need to bring vehicles out of service or physically touch equipment. For first responder agencies with limited IT staffs, this dramatically reduces operational overhead while increasing reliability and consistency across the fleet. Net Cloud Manager also includes enterprise-grade security for public safety networks. Security is critical for first responder communications. Sensitive data must always be protected. Cradlepoint and Net Cloud Manager provide enterprise-grade security featuring encrypted tunnels, firewall policies, and secure remote access. Net Cloud Manager supports zero trust principles, ensuring that only authorized vehicles and devices and users can access your network. This helps protect against unauthorized access data, breaches, and cyber threats. First responder technology continues to evolve. New applications, higher resolution videos, and real time data sharing, and emerging technologies like 5G all place increasing demands on your network. Cradlepoint is built to scale with you. Net Cloud Manager supports 5G ready hardware and is continuously updated to support new capabilities. As your agency adopts more tools and technologies, your network remains ready, adaptable, and future proof. This protects your investment and ensures connectivity strategy supports long-term operational goals. For first responders, connectivity is mission critical. It must be reliable, resilient, secure, and easy to manage. Cradlepoint and NetCloud Manager delivers all of this in a single integrated solution. High availability through multi-carrier connectivity, built-in redundancy for real-world emergencies, and centralized visibility and control across your fleet. Enterprise-grade security and a platform designed to grow with your agency. That is why first responder agencies across the country rely on Cradlepoint and NetCloud Manager to keep their teams connected, informed, and ready to respond.